Want to make a staggering $4,000 to $5,000 per month working at McDonald's? It's not a myth. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to maximizing your earnings at the fast food giant. From taking advantage of little-known benefits to leveraging your skills for higher pay, we'll show you how to turn your McDonald's job into a lucrative career. Whether you're a current employee or looking to join the team, this video will give you the tips and tricks you need to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Watch now and start earning the salary you deserve. In this video, you'll discover how working at McDonald's can lead to a surprisingly lucrative income. Many people view fast food jobs as low-paying and unimportant, but this perception overlooks the potential for higher earnings. Fast food chains like McDonald's have a reputation for paying minimum wage, but that's not the whole story. There are many opportunities within these companies to rise through the ranks and earn a good living. The key is to approach these jobs with the right mindset and be willing to put in the effort to advance. Of course, not everyone who works at McDonald's is going to earn $4,000 to $5,000 a month. But it is possible, and I'm going to show you how. The truth is that many people who work in fast food are just trying to make ends meet, often juggling multiple responsibilities and working long hours to support themselves and their families. But there's more to it than just taking orders and flipping burgers. The fast food industry offers a variety of roles that require different skills and expertise. With the right skills and experience, you can work your way up to management positions and earn a much higher salary. Training programs and mentorship opportunities are often available to help employees grow and develop. There are plenty of people who have made successful careers out of working in fast food, climbing the ranks from entry-level positions to leadership roles. And it's not uncommon for managers to earn upwards of $60,000 to $80,000 a year. These positions come with added responsibilities and the chance to make a significant impact on the business. These aren't just exceptions to the rule either. They're proof that it's possible to earn a good living in the fast food industry. Many success stories highlight the potential for growth and advancement. Many people who work in fast food are just trying to get by, but with dedication and hard work, they can achieve much more. But there's more to it than that. The industry values employees who show initiative and a willingness to learn. You can actually build a successful career in this industry with opportunities for continuous learning and professional development. And it's worth exploring if you're looking for a new opportunity. The fast food industry can be a stepping stone to a rewarding and fulfilling career path. We'll break down the different roles at McDonald's, including management positions, and explore the various opportunities available within the company. We'll also delve into the benefits that come with these roles, highlighting the pathways to higher pay and career advancement. One of the biggest misconceptions about working at McDonald's is that it's just a dead-end job with no future prospects. But the truth is that McDonald's has a robust system in place for promoting from within, offering numerous opportunities for growth and development. This means that you can start at the bottom and work your way up to management positions, gaining valuable experience along the way. In addition to the competitive pay, management positions also come with a range of benefits, including health insurance, paid time off, and even tuition reimbursement for further education. These are valuable perks that can make a big difference in your life, providing financial security and peace of mind. And of course, the pay is nothing to sneeze at either. Many McDonald's managers earn upwards of $60,000 to $70,000 a year, which is a substantial income. If you're willing to put in the effort and dedication, you can work your way up to these positions and earn a good living, all while building a rewarding career. And it's not just about the pay. You'll also have opportunities to develop valuable skills, such as leadership, communication, and problem solving, which can help you build a successful career, not just at McDonald's, but in any future endeavors you choose to pursue. The skills and experience gained here are truly invaluable. The key to success at McDonald's is to be proactive and take advantage of the opportunities that are available to you. This means seeking out training and development programs, networking with other employees, and being willing to take on new challenges. The key insight is that with the right skills and dedication, you can turn a simple job into a rewarding career that pays well. One of the biggest myths about working at McDonald's is that it's just a temporary thing, something you do until you can find a real job. This misconception often overshadows the true potential that lies within the fast food industry. But the truth is that many people have built successful careers out of working in fast food. These individuals have found not just a job, but a pathway to long-term success, and personal growth. It's all about approaching the job with the right mindset. When you see each day as an opportunity to learn and grow, the possibilities are endless. If you're just looking for a paycheck, then you'll probably get bored and move on. This is often the case for those who don't see the bigger picture. But if you're willing to put in the effort and develop your skills, then you can go far. The fast food industry offers numerous opportunities for those who are dedicated and hardworking. You don't have to be content with just scraping by. You can actually build a successful career that pays well. Many employees have climbed the ranks, achieving financial stability and job satisfaction. And it's not just about the money, either. You'll also have the satisfaction of knowing that you've achieved something. The sense of accomplishment that comes with career growth is invaluable. Many people who work in fast food are just trying to get by, but there's more to it than that. The industry is filled with stories of individuals who have turned their jobs into lifelong careers. You can actually build a successful career in this industry, and it's worth exploring if you're looking for a new opportunity. The fast food sector is a viable option for those seeking career advancement. With the right skills and experience, you can work your way up to management positions and earn a much higher salary. Management roles come with increased responsibilities and rewards. And it's not just about the pay, you'll also have opportunities to develop valuable skills and build a successful career. The training and experience gained in the fast food industry can be a solid foundation for future success. To wrap up, working at McDonald's could be more than just a part-time job. It can be a stepping stone to achieving financial stability and independence. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and check out my other videos for more insights on career opportunities and growth.